Hey, today we got one of the best recipes in the world. One of our all-time favorites, Clams Casino. Pretty easy to make. We're gonna show you how to fetch them and cook them. Jump! There you go, baby. Good deal. You ready to go get some clams? Yeah, we're gonna go eat some clams. That's a good doggy. Good deal. Good deal. Jazz loves clams. All right, sweetheart. You made yourself. This is just a fantastic recipe. Been doing it for years. All you really need is some really good clams. We pre-steam them first, of course, make them a little easier to get open. Some extra sharp cheddar cheese, some bacon, spring onions, a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, fresh garlic, about 4 or 5 lemons, and some white wine. That's about it for the grocery list. Man, I just love coming to this place to buy clams. Oh my gosh. Right from the harvester themselves. Place is awesome. Come on, let's go get some clams. Whoops, there's another dog. Say hi. Say hello. Oh, there's 2 dogs. Say hello. Say hi. Oh, maybe not. Okay. We got who gets the money? I take it. You take the money? You take that. 200 clams. Yeah. Thank you, bud. Appreciate it. See y'all later. How's the clamming going? Good?
Yeah, steady for this time of year.
Good.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see y'all. Thanks again. See you, Pooch. All right, we got the clams. See you, buddy. All right, Jazz is gonna be excited to see these clams. That's it. Here you go, Jazz. 200 clams. What do you think, buddy? They're good. Don't let anything happen to them. Very good. All right, let's go home. Make some Clams Casino. Okay, Clams Casino. First thing we're going to do with this dish is, well, we're going to steam up the clams. And we want to steam them just long enough so that the clams just pop open. After they pop open, we're going to halve them. Take your clams in the shell and then place them on a large tray. Take your freshly grated extra sharp cheddar cheese and place a little bit of the cheddar cheese on each clam. Then take some pre-cooked bacon that's been crumbled and then place little bits of bacon on each clam. Followed by some fresh cut spring onions, again, a little bit on every clam. Now to top it off, take some fresh cut parsley and place it all over the entire tray. For seasoning, use just a little bit of salt, pepper, and a dash of Old Bay seasoning, and then squeeze 1 or 2 fresh lemons all over the clams. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place the clams in the oven and bake for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes, just until the cheese is melted. Another good version of Clams Casino is to do barbecue clams. Just take your select few clams that you'd like to try and put a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce, just a dash, on top of the clam, followed by some extra sharp shredded cheddar cheese and a little spring onion. Barbecue clams are as delicious as well. So try Clams Casino sometime. It is a real special treat. Your family and friends will just love you for it.